Hi, my name is Jonah Fogarty, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Facebook page for your business. So first, I want to log into your own Facebook page, or create an account where it takes a few steps. So first, I want to come to your home page, and up the top, let it refresh. Come to the left side here, you'll see a See More down the bottom. If you scroll down, you will see a flag, and it says Pages. So if you want to click on that there, and you'll have the Discover Light Page invoice. You want to go to the top and click Create Page. So it brings you to this preview here. So you have up the top right here, you have the desktop preview and the mobile preview. I find it easier to make it on the laptop preview or desktop preview. So I want to come over to the left side here and the page name. So I'm going to put my own name in here now. And the category, since we're doing marketing, just want to look up that now. So probably do advertising / marketing. You can add multiple ones. So I'll see if digital marketing comes up as well. Social media agency would be kind of similar enough to what we do, what we study in class, so I'll tap on that as well. And description, so I am a digital marketing student. So yeah, and if you come over here, you can then, if you scroll down even further, you can go down to the bottom here. You can add images, contact info, and other details after you create the page. So first, I want to go ahead and create. Just takes a second. So it says in the bottom here, was created. Now you can add images, profiles to make the page better. So you can go to the bottom here, and you can add a profile picture for the little flag in here. So you can put an image of your logo for your business in here, and you can enter a cover photo then down here as well, which can then be added in the background, which come up here. I currently don't have a logo or a background photo image selected, so I can do that at a later stage when I have the page set up. So first of all, I'm going to click Save here. So it just gives you a generic first initial of your name up the top here, and then you can add new features over here, so you can edit this at any time and change the photo when you need. And then this have all the analytics and ads and stuff like that down here, so you can create posts and stuff. So that's basically how to start your own page. Thank you.